radio silence. I have spotted Kitty Galore.
Your mission will be revealed at HQ. This squirrel will self-destruct, but first, a little dance.
Next summer. How you doing, big shot?
Fine, good. No, not good. Yeah, I'm gonna barf.
To take on a new breed of evil.
I will enslave all mankind.
Someone's having a bad hair day.
Two sworn enemies will have to do the unthinkable.
Cats and dogs will have to work together.
Am I the only one who thinks this is a bad idea?
From Warner Brothers Pictures.
Oh, yeah.
I can't find my dog. Have you seen him anywhere?
I love being a spy dog.
This is historic. 3 species putting aside our differences to solve a mystery.
Real professional.
I slipped.
I don't know anything, I tell you. My brain is the size of a grape or a raisin. Either a big raisin or a little grape.
Oh, boy.
Kitty, I'm home.
Is it true there's a spot on your tummy, and if I tickle it, you're full shape?
Nah, that's just a myth. Oh boy, that's it.
Cats and Dogs. The Revenge of Kitty Galore.
Awesome.
What's up with these guys?
Hopped up on catnip.
Dude, I saw it blink.
Unleashed in 3D next summer.